Hello, this is Taj Tires. I've got a Hyundai i20 here on a 67 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the service light basically on this. It's quite a simple procedure. Now there is going to be a little beep noise. It is really annoying if I switch the ignition on. Right, that noise there is really annoying. So what I might have to do is I might have to block that with my thumb and get a second pair of hand. Just give me one sec. Hi, now that I've got a second pair of hand, now as you can see right there, it's minus 635 minus 11962 for the next service. Now to reset it, it's quite a simple procedure. You've got the trip and reset button right here. If I press the trip without pressing anything like pressing a hole in the brakes or accelerator, don't do none of that. Now if you get to the service, then press the reset, press and hold the reset button. It will start flashing. Once it starts flashing, it will come to the original value when the service is due. Right, I let go again. I press it again, hold it. I let go, and I press and hold again. That's all done. So all I now do is switch the ignition off, switch the ignition on. As you can see right there, it's 10,000 miles. If I start the car up, it's 10,000 miles. Now the way you do it again, just in case you guys have missed out. So press the trip button, get onto the service, right, and then press and hold this button. When it flashes, right, let go of the button, press and hold again. That's it. That's all done. That's all you got to do on your Hyundai i20 if you've got it. And if you've got the slightly newer, because this is a 67 plate, technically this should have been a newer shape, but they've got a slight different steering wheel. So you'll have an OK button right here. So all you do is switch the ignition off, press and hold the OK button, and that should reset the service indicator for you. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. And I'm really sorry about this noise. It is quite annoying, but thank you for watching. Goodbye.